And we mutate and mutate and mutate and mutate and mutate and mutate and D. Yeah. Gonna change the base, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to hydrolyze pets a struggle for me. While we killing fishies dumping into the sea. You know how I like getting rid of PT. I don't wanna have that plastic in me. Yes, I see the need to use LCC. Hope that plastic don't outlive me. We gon' mutate that, it's gon' be different than plastic. It's bad. Pretty sick, right?
Are you sure that this is the best way to do this?
Yeah, kids love a hip hop beat.
There's gotta be a better way.
Like what? Going back to the beginning?
Actually?
This is me. And these are my teammates. And together, we make up Group 1, a ragtag bunch of scientists who's gonna change the world. Or we're gonna try at least. Now you might be wondering, just how exactly did we get here? I know I'm wondering that. Well, to tell you about that, I'm gonna have to take you back to the beginning, to one fateful day in Alderson Hall, when we discovered we may have a problem. Guys, I think plastic waste is bad. And from then on, we found it everywhere. We saw it in the forest.
Plastic!
What the heck? We saw it in the mine. We even saw it in the water. Something had to be done. And thus, we embarked on a quest. It was a great quest that took us far and wide. To the depths of the Edgar Mine, to the peaks of the Rocky Mountains. We searched tirelessly through days and nights until we found it, the Holy Grail itself, the leaf branch compost cutinase. Or at least that's how I remember the story. Don't ask Dr. Schaefer to verify. Anyway, with our findings, people started to ask the important questions. All right, so what's the problem with plastic anyway?
Are you serious? Plastic is everywhere. It's in our forests, it's in our ocean, it's even in our food. It's a bad cycle. The animals eat it and then we eat the animals. Imagine for a second that you're going to a pool party, but instead of water, it's all plastic. That's our world right now. Why can you even ask this question?
And unfortunately, it's true. Plastic is everywhere. That's why we're so passionate about this. But it doesn't stop there. The questions kept on coming.
So what are we gonna use to deal with all this plastic?
All right, so this is awesome. We're talking about something revolutionary. Leaf branch compost cutinase. Say that 5 times fast.
Leaf branch compost cutinase, leaf branch
No, not right now. Anyway, what is cutinase? It's an enzyme that breaks down plant material, but it also breaks down pet plastics, which is what we're interested in. Think of it as the ultimate recycling machine.
And that's exactly what you've got. The ultimate recycling machine with the ability to break down plastic, just like you see here.
So how'd they find out about this LCC thing anyways?
Man, let me tell you the story. So picture this, scientists in their lab doing some science stuff. Crazy, right? But one day they were studying the natural decomposition processes in plants, and they stumbled upon an organism that was capable of degrading plant cuticles faster than usual. So they isolated the enzyme responsible for this, and voila, we had our LCC enzyme.
But that wasn't good enough. We decided, after some long, hard thought, that we needed to make it better, faster, stronger. And that came in the form of the mutation D193N.
You might be wondering, if it's already so awesome, already so useful, why do you want to mutate it? Let me tell you, picture this. You got Spider-Man, already pretty awesome, right? Put him in an Iron Man suit. Think about how much more awesome and powerful he's going to be. Well, that's what we're doing here. What's that going to look like for us? Boom, sting, strong, mutated, powerful enzyme. This dude's juiced, man.
And thus, with the decision to mutate in motion, we focused hard. We mutated day in, day out. We worked so hard. Everything we had was put toward this. Until we failed.
I want to cry.
And so do we all, my friend. But right now is not the time to cry, Prasanga. You see, field session, it's not about success. It's not about changing the world. And it's not about crying. It's about the good times and the friends we made along the way. Who cares about some Nobel Prize? Well, I do. But anyway, thank you for joining us on this journey. And until next time, Group 1 and Sting out. Hydrolyzing plastic, I see it only partly. I gotta change the D into N, yeah, I'm sorry.